Hey, it's Travis with Pemberton Homes and eXp Realty again. Buying a home should be exciting, but I get it. It can feel like a maze of paperwork, inspections, and unexpected hurdles. The good news, it doesn't have to be stressful. In this video, I'm breaking down exactly how to make homeownership simple and stress-free, so you can focus on finding the right place without the headaches. One of the biggest reasons buyers feel stressed is not knowing what to expect. The process can feel like a never-ending checklist of things you don't fully understand. Offers, inspections, financing, closing costs. And if you're not working with the right agent, things can slip through the cracks, leading to costly mistakes. Here's how I take the stress out of buying a home. We have a clear roadmap from day one. I walk my clients through my exclusive home buying roadmap so they know exactly what's coming next at every stage. Then I have proactive communication. You'll never be left wondering what's happening. I check in weekly, answer your questions before you even have to ask, and ensure no detail is missed. I really focus in on smart strategies for offers and negotiations. I guide you on crafting strong offers, negotiating terms that protect your interests, and ensuring that you don't overpay. Then, with appraisals and inspections, I've got some special guidance for you as well. I help you navigate the inspections, understand what's worth negotiating, and make sure your investment is sound. I've got a seamless closing process. I coordinate with lenders, title companies, and all parties involved to make sure closing day is smooth and stress-free. Here's the bottom line. I can handle the details so you can focus on the excitement of finding your new home. I recently worked with a first-time home buyer who was completely overwhelmed. She wasn't sure how to navigate financing, what to look for in a home, or even where to start. I walked her through the process, helped her secure a strong loan with a great lender I know, and made sure she understood every step before moving forward. When we found the perfect home, I negotiated the deal that saved her thousands on closing costs. Now she's a happy homeowner, and the best part, she told me, Travis, that was way easier than I thought it would be. That's exactly how I want all of my clients to feel. If you want a home buying experience that feels simple and stress-free, let's connect. And if you have questions, I'd love to chat. In my next video, I'll be sharing how I keep buyers informed every step of the way, so you never feel lost in the process. I'll see you there.